Hi, hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how to draw a trend line in the chart, candlestick chart using drawing tools. Okay, fine. So basically as we all know there are only many trends available, but basically mainly we consider only three trends, that is uptrend, sideways trend and the downtrend. To identify this uptrend, the funda is very simple. That is just you need to identify the higher points and the lower points. Just see the where the higher points are going. That means the higher highs. If there is a condition that higher highs and the higher lows, it is called as uptrend. If the high points and lower points are lie in the horizontal direction, that is called as sideways trend. If the higher point goes in the downward direction and the lower point also goes in the downward direction, then that is called as a downward trend. Okay, fine. So how to draw a trend line? So basically what we need to connect this, the higher points and the lower points. So let's do this. I just open the BTC USDT chart in the Binance futures. If you have account in Binance future, then that is well and good. If you don't have any account in Binance, then I will provide the link in the description to open the account. Just go and open the account in Binance futures. Okay, fine. So to draw a trend line, I will firstly choose this trend line option, then connect these higher points. Okay, and I'm also going to connect the lower points as well. So basically this has higher highs and higher lows. That means they are going in the upward direction. That's why this is called as an uptrend. I just write down some words over here. This is uptrend. Okay, what is the movement of the uptrend? That is like this and this. That means it is going in the upward direction, right? That is called as uptrend. So this part is done now. So move on to the next part, that is sideways trend. This indicates that the higher points lie in the horizontal direction and lower point also lies in the horizontal direction. That is called as a sideways trend. Okay, to draw this I will just connect these two higher points and again the horizontal points. Okay, so this indicates that this is moving along this horizontal direction, that is from left to right. So this is generally called as a sideways trend because the higher points and the lower points also lie in the same horizontal line. So it is not moving up, it is not moving down, so that is called as again the sideways trend. Sorry, sideways trend. Okay, fine. I just write it down over here, written over here, the sideways trend, just to clarify you. Okay, now the third part is what is downtrend. That means just look at over here, these are higher points are moving in the downward direction, these are lower points, they are also moving in the downward direction. That means whole market is moving in the downward direction, so that is called as, this trend is called as a downward trend. To draw a trend line in the downward trend, I just connect these higher points and draw a line, and similar to the lower points as well, I just connect these lower points and draw a line. Just to clarify you, I just draw with the help of brush how the market is moving. It went up, it went down. That means the higher points are also moving down and the lower points also moving down. So this is basically called as a downtrend. Okay, downtrend, or you can also clarify in your own words. So basically this is basically a downtrend. So I just think that it is very much understood to you. So if you like this video, then hit the like button. So that's it from this video. I hope you are able to understand how to draw a trend line using these drawing tools. I am in the Binance Futures USD BTC USDT pair, that is Bitcoin USDT pair. You can easily draw a trend line using this. This is just an example. You can draw in any chart using this drawing tools. So basically this is a main funda, how to draw trend lines using these drawing tools. Okay, fine. So that's it from this video. If you want something else me to cover, then you are free to ask in the comment section. If you have any questions, then you can also do the same thing in the comment section. I will try to cover that in the very recent times. Okay, so that's it from this video. Till then, keep learning and do the safe trading. Thank you.